Hi everyone, Armin here. Just wanted to make a quick video and say Merry Christmas everyone. Hope you all had a great day so far. Just remember the next few days is not just about getting the best deals in the market for the products you're after. It's about having the best time with your family, friends, making sure you cherish these moments. Be careful out there on the streets if you're driving. The police are out there to get you, as I would know since I've already lost 4 points. So, yep. Be careful out there. Hope you all had a wonderful year. I know it's been one of the best years of my life, personally. I'm starting a new YouTube channel. It's called Real Black Box. It's going to cover a lot of different kind of videos, controversial topics, adventures, travel videos, tips and tricks and things like that. I hope you all got the Christmas presents you were after. The one Christmas present I would like to have, which is very easy, is if you could please support me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link is below. Just click on it, subscribe. If you have subscribed and clicked on the post notification bell, you will be notified when my videos come up. That way, we make sure it's a beautiful 2019. That's it from me. Merry Christmas. Stay real.